God News abit dung pen taralang swalong kipangthir amo cleanliness drive kedeng. Rengbong Home Higher Secondary School HSLC Center Difu Bialong Sonthan Mate Science Saplang Hut Kilang Cari Abang Pu Saplang Kipia Tumapan Kipatherak Lapen ke Saplang Alukiti. Nilip Development Block Otumpen Rongsali LP School Hemalong Assam Cha Bagicha Dhan Purushkar Scheme Amai Kangni. Karbi Prime Demalong Penili Vilbon Krupi Non Bir Tang Ton Pen Arjuik Tha. God News sabidung ben thang ingkora porni kipang thira mo dengsi taralang swapan kipang thir isi amo pachun pon arwi la pen botol ke mimiyang bong kipadu kipang thira mo God News sabidung pen bang kep chirap chitudun taralang swapan pang thir et pen bilunang taralang so balir seng lunang God News sabidung pen la swalam seng apan RDP dam si thang ingkora porni taralang so jutang aklamolong isi kipang thira mo pachundam God News sabidung pen adap choksi rachitim apor pen karbir sunim so arongoje ahut ke Chennai singmir jeng achotai lapen hemkom hemralong karkok amo dengsi kepang thira mo papleng God News ham phangar pu kedeng kepang thira amo long God News bang kep chirap chitudun karbi jutanga song mate KCS mai pu Chandra Singh Kropen taralang so along kepang thir amo kedeng ke mesen lo pusi God News ham phang pan choro lapen kurwang thu pajir
likebra phong deng karbi rusim sorong aje juddet pen Karbi people holds angkang arlo pinangan ke ter dolo sila bangso kaddo ko ke ter ke pangthai la pen ke pameji pan ke pangthir ji pan pini kat channel la pen hill strike tracker tum kapang thira saina nga denga pot nili karbi jutanga song hin balang de churo parlo la pen alang litung la bangso taralang so Karbi people who's an par Karbi akhe jutang pan ka ching honthek lagalang lu pan churu reune la son dak thak si pinangan kapang thir lang ya sai dupik lang la si pini la bang so kat news channel hin pen kaddo ka be ham phanga song aphan dili Karbi jutang song amei phuin ben chuning ri lo la ronga je angkang pi kapang thir sai along kaddo ka bitana nga cherap na chitu dun je phan chuning ri le thot lo sipu thot pinia sayang deng ke deng pon kat news channel la pen hill tracker tuma phan chuju kachuro pajir thule thot lo alang tum pinang an ketera jo kapang thir pon thek lage ke bang jilang ili tuma khe phan isi ke mesanang tek pun li pudam tung se anso se ke chara pa chitu tu thek ya phan nilis song mai pu hin pen kaddo ka be ham phanga song phan chuning thule thot lo.
First of all, I want to say that cleanliness is next to godliness. Then I would like to thank to my team, national team, that they have worked hard to clean this place, and I would like to thank to the KCS president also, and to take the step of cleanliness drive from Bharat Swachh Abhijan. And I would like to say to all the people of Difu that not only organizations should come here and do the work. We have our own duty to keep our place clean, because this is the only place where we used to have our festival. Recently we have finished our 45th KYF. I would like to request all the people of Karbi Anglong that we should come together and we should clean the place, because it's a tourist place, and if we do not keep our place clean, then who will come? So we should love our place, and we should come forward, and we should clean the place of Karbi festival.
Rengbong Home Higher Secondary School along thang ingkora porni kipadu keba satlang mati HSLC sonthan mati science hut satlang kilang cari abang phu satlang ketok abang phiaphan lang plot lapen ang thekalo kithi lapen kepatherak pasya koilong pon keba satlang mati HSLC satlang ketok ari sunim sumara phanmon sampen satlang patok nang jipwa porhut Rengbong Home Higher Secondary School HSLC Center Bialong thang ingkora porni kipadu sonthan mati science satlang kilang cari rideng pera chak au smart therak nang Son than saplang jut podok dog hut mithang saplang ki tok tang aphi lang phrui chia phan lapen akili alo ke krong dunji ta our side pipe apor ki physically inject si patherak thurong pasi son than arni kilang chari dun abang phu pati than bang phan akoi pidang tereng alang roy amang tereng lang swalong kasalam 9 megawatt mini hydro electric project ami thang ingora priani asa minister sarpo sarbananda sonowal kichiben phiteng tipsi rihing ame kilo pangchengpon laso rihing ame Karbi Anglong lapen asam arada phan panong lupusi minister sarpo ningje
West Karbi Anglong tereng alang roy athak tereng lang swalong Kuti Pharoi Sira Plikebra Phosu se atangka pen kaselam 9 megawatt mini hydroelectric project ame thang inkoira pli arni Assam Minister Sarpo Sarbananda Sonowar kichi pen phita ke air ing tipsi rihing ame kang dir pangcheng ponlo alangli ningkan suri hinira thomke ba ningkan angbong rihing ame ka che thorke dor plubji aphan Assam Sarkar pen rihing ame akor kaselam anghap thopon pusi Minister Sarpo Sonowar ningje Assam Power Generation Corporation Limited pen suri hinira sirkep aningkan laswami arihing akor kaselam pangchengsi pining suri hinira krisir kep aningkan an kaselam pajut rihing ami kang pualong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang MLA Mansing Rongpi Principal Secretary Mahadananda Hajarika pen chenglok pinang an APGCL kethe kidingatum chitongdun
Omega Autor যিটো আইডিয়াল প্ৰজেক্ট মই
Namalam sopor phan birta moin tamanik sena Aturkimi Academy Jifu affiliated to CBSE New Delhi admissions open for Montessori LKG UKG class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20 Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Aturkimi Society. Ini siksa kelabon nila so chupen cerap leka cerap.
Report lo nangina chusir ham tamle ingisu.
Ini siksa kelabon nila so chupen cerap leka cerap cing sok taun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, lo nalom Karbi beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma, konat lo lake.
Di ATR lo Iron Bridge adong rong supi along ke cengsi supin so lapen soar lo tu kapamada tim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo, kecengsi sopin so lapen soar lo phan kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long ponikti. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongharpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong napadari pinpin ang humrig mo.
This is the electronic voting machine, the EVM, which the Election Commission uses for conduct of elections to the state assemblies and the parliament in the country. EVM basically consists of two parts. This is the control unit, the CU, and this is the ballot unit, this is the BU. Now, what happens is the ballot unit is kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment so that we have secrecy of vote here in the country. So along with this, along with the EVM, now we have the VVPAT, that is the voter verifiable paper audit trail, which is a new entrant on the election framework. Now basically the ballot unit contains the ballot paper which has the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate. Now in this case, it's a dummy ballot paper which is used only for training and awareness purposes. As you can see, AAA, BBC, and also the dummy symbols are there. Next to the ballot, the candidate's name is a button. Now the easiest part of the EVM is that the voter has to just press the blue button in front of the candidate of his choice, and the vote gets recorded. Now this control unit is at the polling station, or these are kept together here just for demonstration purpose, but in the polling station this control unit is kept with the presiding officer, and these two units are kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment, so that whenever the voter casts his vote, he can cast it in absolute secrecy and nobody sees what is happening. Now what happens is, once the machines are set in the polling station, in the beginning we do a mock poll, as you already know, in the presence of the polling agents. So 50 votes are cast in the machine, and after that the votes are counted through the control unit, and also the slips are taken out from the VVPAT and they are tallied, just to make sure and ensure all the participants that the machine is functioning absolutely accurately and there is nothing amiss here. Now how the vote is released, basically the presiding officer, what he does is he just has to press the ballot button here. Now the minute he presses the ballot button, a red light glows on the control unit which shows that the machine is now in readiness. The minute the red light glows here, there is a green light, the ready light, which is there on the ballot unit. This is the ready light. This light shows that now this ballot unit can accept the signal for the particular vote to be cast. Now the voter, what he has to do is, suppose he chooses candidate number 4, he just presses this blue button. The minute he presses this, a red light glows here, and along with it simultaneously we have the slip which gets printed in the VVPAT, and it is visible through this transparent window for 7 seconds, and simultaneously there is this beep sound which says that the vote has been recorded successfully in the control unit, and the slip falls into the ballot slips compartment here, which on the poll day is completely sealed and not accessible to anybody.
Okay.
So this is the process in which a vote is cast.
Yeah.
So basically what the VVPAT does is it allows the voter to verify the vote that he has cast in the favor of the candidate of his choice.
Yeah.
Now I'll take out the slip and show you how the slip looks like. This was the slip which was just printed. So as you can see, it has the name, the serial number, and the symbol. So these slips can be counted to verify the electronic result which is stored here, but that can be done under certain circumstances only. So one of those circumstances is that in case somebody, the candidate or his agent, requests a returning officer under section 56T for a recount, the commission has also mandated a mandatory verification of one polling station for every constituency to do a verification of the slip count with the electronic count which is there in the CU. Plus, of course, if somebody goes in the election petition, so on the orders of the Honorable Court, the slips can always be taken out and the count verified with the control unit. So this is basically the architecture of the EVMs and the VVPATs here.
And this entire setup is not possible anywhere, because a lot of time allegations are made that you can get it from anywhere, and this is hacked, this can be hacked, and this can be tampered with.
The EVMs which are used by the commission are completely standalone, non-networked, non-tamperable, robust, and integrity machines with integrity and credibility. There are two pillars on which this entire framework stands. One is the technological safeguards which are there in the design and technological features of the CU, BU, and the VVPATs. The other is the detailed administrative protocols, security framework, and procedural guidelines that we have installed around the EVM ecosystem, which prevents any unauthorized access to these machines by any unauthorized person. So these machines remain under the control and custody of the election officials at all times. So it's impossible to take these machines, do any kind of mischief, and bring them back into the EVM ecosystem. That's just not possible.
Right.
Karbi Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk Thelua kreng Chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dinamo piputhot biurtalong wangthulo Nilip Development Block tum penchipatir pi ponsi rangsali LP School hemalong thang ni phaing kora phorni ada porphai krisia porpen Assam cha bagicha dhan puraskar scheme aputhak mai ki padu pon biurta pherang anantirang pen biurta nang pali Nilip Development Block a BDO Satya Prabhatok BP pen kechari pon hamayalong alhuaman pen kachitong dunatum Assistant Commissioner and Executive Officer Bukojan Civil A Bemcha Chanu ACS Director Langpidhangi Rural Bank Manager Dorsing Timung Labor Officer Rameshwar Sahu VDC Chairman Timothy Teron Junior Engineer atum Raju Rongpi Mentu Barman Lapen Tea Garden Manager atum Chatong Dunsi Chakatiki along Chongdat dun abang pubang pia tumapan Assam Government pen akirat kipi pajir ponatang kasika suri pho kerana mailong RDP dun aluhia tumahin pen labang swa scheme puthak klardak pen than pachini pon ke longni tea garden atumapan si kerap pajir pon lake rangsali cha bagan pen new rangsali cha bagan lahini ati garden pen bang plikepra chok abang pubang pia tumapan BDO la pen magistrate atum adideng pesi check mate sanction letter ron ponlo Pena ana lam chathan chimum paduposi mai mesen ing samjin pen pachun pon BJP Sarkar pen kipi pon barpi bar suka chitia hem somen pen inu rabang phu tangka ke hang puthak lang hin sikaring tia rong la pen phelang khro rong ra tum pen akoi ke bana puthak thang ni phaing ko ra phorni katni salong birta nangli
Langhin sikari inti lapen phelang kro arong ara daphan inut langhin along BJP klembang phupen tangka ke hang tangka nang pipe pulote barpi barso ka chitia hemso nang pipe pupen ihumalong tangka pharo ke thoman ke hang pusi rong ara da tumpen pachini lapen sang tisitame keduk de dabang phu atuma phan ke pache endam toy puta pachini ponthu lanja takali barpi barso ke do hemso hilik sitame ame thanga tuma phan kapachituk toy puta rada tumpen ningje ponthu Keduk dat rongara datu maphan lapuson keglem ke kopisi local emisi pen pujima puta rada tumpen karjupado anparta hemki kem tangte ko pen kaino ke thaglong keo lasi inut party ke klem bang phu chekrong pen lapuson ke klem aputhak kawedet arongara datu ningri rinti
teman litri nang pipu po amian pen nang teman ku posa nang hang ma puceng pan no karotom bide pa litri nang pilu bo
Oke, sang kita mina le, mina ciroi neng plus sang kita mina si ciroi le.
Oke, ahilik ya?
Ahilik ta mina si cuk lo.
Pusap ta baru tom pinang tadi.
Pusap ta baru tom pinang.
Ke ahilik, sang ti. Pemal lah kontraktor amen ke? Nangewan pi. Nang pi.
Karbi Prime Time birta bang ilapans kang ton poniklo domit thak me kurang thu